Well, hello everyone. On this video I'm going to show you how to breeding your pals on Palworld. So first thing you need to know, you have to unlock the breeding farm, this farm right here. You do this at a level of technology 19. Once you reach 19 level, you have this breeding farm unlocked. Once you unlocked, you put whatever you want and you go to your oven. You have to make this cake right here, this white one with these strawberries above. And to make this cake you must have some flour, some strawberries, milk, egg and honey. Once you have your cake, you go to your farm chest and you put right here. So once the cake is on the chest, you have to pick 2 pals to put here to breeding. So you must have, once you have your female pal, your male pal and your cake inside the chest, you have your own egg and you pick your egg and put on the incubation egg. You put right here and you're ready for a new baby pal born. Okay, thank you for watching. Give your thumbs up, leave your comment, and we'll see each other on the next video. Goodbye.